Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 4th of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step, focusing on title of assignment XP22 Excel chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Auto Sales. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now customer 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson IT dashboard. You can download this easily from your portal. Okay. Now moving on question number 2. Customer 2 is that freeze the fast row on the fleet information worksheet. Okay, freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. Moving on Excel workbook, you can select flat information workbook, select first row, click on row 2, click on row 2 and click on view tab and click on freeze pane and select freeze on top. Okay, first row will be freezes. Moving on question number 2. This question is done now. Question number 2 is that convert the data to table, name the table inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. Okay, you can select all data first. Okay, you can select this all data, then click on insert tab, then click on table and then press OK. Data will be converted into the table and then table name is that inventory. You can copy this name. You can copy this name and go to the Excel workbook and click on table name and you can paste here or you can type here and then press enter. Table name will be changed to inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. Click on table design, click on table design and then gold style medium 19, then press OK. It will be done. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that it's done now. This question is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 4. Remove duplicates record. Okay. For duplicates, removing duplicates record, moving on Excel workbook and then click on remove duplicates, then press OK. First we select table design, click on remove duplicate and then press OK. All table records duplicates record will be removed. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that sort the table by make in alphabetical order and second level to sort by your smallest to largest and third level to sort by sticker price. First is that make to sort and filter, click on, then first level is that make alphabetical order and then add a second level to sort by smallest to largest, then add a second level by years. Okay, then add level and select years. Okay, smallest to largest is done. Now moving on next step and third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest and then add level. Third level is that sticker price, then largest to smallest to largest. Okay, it's done now. Question number 5 is completely done. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that repeat the field's name on all pages. Repeat the fields names on all pages. Moving on Excel workbook, click on view tab, click on page layout and then click on print title, click on sheets, row to repeat atop. You can select first row and then press OK. It's done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 7. In question number 7, change page breaks so each vehicles make it printed on a separate page Change page break, so each vehicle may get printed on separate page. Basically in this customer we will have to change page breaks for each vehicles. Okay, click on view tab, click on page break preview. Okay, you can scroll down and you can page break for each vehicle page. Okay, you can scroll down. First we will select Civic. Prius, Civic, Malibu, Civic, and then Prius. Click on here Prius and then click on page layout. Then click on page break, insert page break. Page break will be inserted for each vehicle. You can see. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on next question, question number 8. In question number 8, add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and then file name code on the right side. Okay, basically in this question we will have to insert a footer. Moving on Excel workbook, click on page layout, click on margins, click on custom margins, then click on header footer, click on footer. Then you can tap you can select the tab and then you can select file and you can tab your name in left side and it's done now. Then press OK. Now moving on next question, question number 9. In question number 9, click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to the table, name the table sales and apply the green table dot alignment. Basically in this question, click on sales information. You can select first all data on this sheets and then convert the data into the table. First you can select all data in the sheet, scroll down. Okay, then click on insert tab and then click on table and then press OK. Convert the data into the table, then name the table sales. You can copy this name sales. Okay, then moving on Excel workbook, then click on table name. You can type sales and then press enter. The table name will be changed into the sales and apply the green table style dark 11. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on table design. Okay, then you can select this table green dark. Okay, it's done now, medium 11. Now moving on next question. Next question is question 11, question 10. Tap percentage of sticker in cell E1. Basically in this question we will have to tap percentage of sticker in cell E1. Moving on Excel workbook, you can copy this and then click on cell E1 and then you can tap here percentage of sticker, then press enter. It's done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question 11. In question 11, create a formula with structure references to calculate the percentage of the sticker price in column E. Okay, create a formula with structure references to calculate the percentage of the sticker price in column E. Moving on Excel workbook. Okay, here as you can enter is equal to then sale price divided by sticker price, then press enter. It will be show all percentage of stickers. This is done now. Now moving on question number 12. In question number 12, format the range E2 to E30 with percent style number format. Okay, you can select first this range E2 to E30 or then click on home tab and then percent style. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question number 13. In question number 13, add a total row to display average, percentage of sticker and sum of sticker price and sale price. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, click on table design, click on total row. Okay, you can select average of percentage of sticker price, then sum of sticker price and then sum of sale price. It's done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 14. In question number 14, auto fit with the column B to E to show the total value. First we will select column B to E. First we will select column B to E and then click on formats and then you can say auto fit with column. Okay, it's done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 15. In question number 15, select the range E2 to E30. Apply solid fill blue data bars conditional formatting to the percentage of sticker data. Okay, first we will select this range E2 to E30, then we will go to conditional formatting and then apply solid fill blue data bars conditional formatting. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, first we will select this range E2 to E30. Okay, then go to the conditional formatting. Then go to the conditional formatting. Okay, data bar blue solid fill data bars. It's done now. Okay, I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.